Hello everyone, I am PSRB Shashank, working as an assistant professor in the department of CSC in BV Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. So, I am going to deal with passing of arrays to functions in the course Computational Thinking and Programming. So, in the previous videos, we have seen passing of arguments to function or parameters to function, how we can pass one element to a function. So, in this we are going to see about passing of arrays to function. So, passing of arrays to function, how to pass an array to function. That means if I am having an array and if I want to pass an array to a function, if I am having single element, I can pass single element to a function. But if I am having an array and I am in a need of passing array to function, I need to pass, first thing is base address of your array. So, how you can pass is like this. So, if I am having an array like this, ten, 20, 30, 40, 50. So, this is my array element. If I want to pass single element to a function, I can pass it directly using your classifications. Now, if I want to pass whole array to a function, what is the thing that is needed? So, look at this first. So, in order to make sure that a function is working, we need three things. First thing is function declaration. Second thing is function definition. Third thing is function call. Function declaration, function definition and function call. Now, if I am trying to pass an array element to a particular function, so first thing, how you can declare that particular function? So, I will start with hash include stdio.h. This is our header file. After this, I need a function declaration part. Let me say my function name is function1. So, what is the thing I need to pass to a function? I need to pass array to a function. So, how to show that? I need to pass an array to a function. No need to have a name here. Just show that this is an array type. So, which type of values? So, integer values. That means I need to have a function name. I need to have which type of values you are passing and which type of data type you are giving. That means derived data type, which type you are giving, array. So, this function, if you are passing integer, as you are dealing with memory, it will return a type which is called as integer. So, int function1 int. This is how you will pass elements of array to a particular function. This is just declaration. We will go with the next part, definition. So, I will just have this void main first. So, I will write the declaration part here. So, how to have a declaration part? So, what is the first one you have? You have first one as function1, name of your function and int, name of your array. Let me say my array name is A, like this, int A of. That means here I am not giving any particular name to this array in your declaration part. In your definition part, I am saying that this array is taken from particular main function using a name A. This is a formal one, you can change the name there. So, this array I am returning something called as integer. So, I will write this particular code here. I will just give int A of 5. I will give maximum of 5 elements. So, I will take values into array for I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, and you can have a scanf statement, scanf percentile D ampersand A of I, and we didn't declare something called as I, let us declare it here, comma I. And after this, now you have a part which is called as function declaration part, function definition part. What we need to write in function, we will see that. So, I have just taken values into an array. After taking values into an array, I need to pass that values to a particular function, to function definition. Using which one? Using a function call. I need to pass values to that particular function definition using function call. So, I am calling that particular function. What is the name of the function I am taking, which I have taken? Function 1. So, what is the thing I need to pass? If I am just passing something called as a of 0, if I am just passing a of 0, it will take only the value of 10. If I am passing a of 1, it will take only the value of 20. If I am passing a of 2, it will take only 30. Likewise, a of 4, it will take only 50. So, I need to pass whole array elements to this particular function. In order to pass that, just you can give a passing statement which is called as name of your array. Why? You may have a doubt why. Why means array holds base address. Array holds base address. On giving the value, if I am passing a, that means it is passing something called as a of 0. So, that means it is a continuous type of memory allocation. It after the next iteration, it will take the next value. In the next iteration, it will take one more next value, like which it will take up to 50, up to the elements whichever you are giving there. It will take the first value, after that second, after that third, fourth, fifth, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if I am just passing function 1 of a, that means a is holding how many values? 5 values. Those 5 values are passed to which one? Array function, this function 1. So, this is given to this particular one. Now, if I am doing some operations, let me say it here like this, for I equal to 0, I less than, I will just give 5, I plus plus. So, I will just take it as what? A of I equal to A of I plus 10. So, I will just initialize int I. So, fun 1 of a, this is given to a statement which is called as function 1. So, in this we have this 5 values here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I equal to 0. 0 means it is nothing but a of 0. A of 0 will hold a value of 10. A of 0 will hold a value of 10. So, what I am doing? A of 0 equal to a of 0 plus 10. So, a of 0 equal to 10 plus 10. So, the answer will be 20. In the next iteration, a of 1 equal to a of 1 plus 10. A of 1 is 20 plus 10, that will be 30. So, next iteration, a of 2, again that will go up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will go up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will change the values inside your array. So, this will change the values at this particular position, this position, this position. All the values are changed. Again, it is coming back. So, either you can give integer. Why? Because if I am changing the values in your memory location, that means it is returning a part which is called as integers. No need to write a return statement here. Why no need to write is, it is already changing the values in memory location. It is not changing in a particular one, it is changing the value in memory location. It is not changing only value to value. So, if I am just giving like this here, I will just say int, or do not write anything, just give it as a function call. I will just give function 1 of a. So, now what I will do again, for I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. So, I will just give printf percentile D a of I. So, what it should print? If I am not having a statement which is called as function 1, so I will make this as a comment now. If I am not having this statement, this should print an answer 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, if I am removing this particular comment I am just calling this particular function and it is modifying the values of A, array A. So, if I am modifying the values of A, what it does? It will take one by one element and it will modify and it will come back at this position. After coming to this position, if I am printing the values of A of 0, A of 1 like that up to A of 4, it will print 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. See if I am giving a backslash in here. So, this is how you will pass a particular dimensional one dimensional array to a function. If you want to pass multi-dimensional in the same way, so you can have a statement like this, int one is this, second is this, but you have to write dimensions there also. We will see this using a program. Hash include stdio.h, this is the header file. So, first what I need to do, first I will declare an array, fun1 of, I will say int open close. After this, I am just giving void main statement and opening that. So, I will give int I, first I will take int a of 5, maximum of 5, I will take 5 elements. So, for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Scanf %d ampersand a of I. So, I need to initialize one more thing which is called as I, yes, I have initialized. So, I will just printf, I will printf, what is this I will give, I will take a for loop and I will just print first, I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Backslash t I will give, comma a of I. So, I am not using any function now, I am just taking like this. So, giving the values here. So, I will give 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So, you got an answer here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, what I will do is, I will give a function now. So, I will give a function before your for loop, before printing your array. Function 1 of what I am passing A to that particular function. I am passing A to that particular function. So, in this int fun1 of int A. So, I am writing the definition of that particular function. What I will do again, int I, let me take it, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, or in place of n I am taking the value as 5 directly. So, a of I equal to a of I plus, I will give 50, a of I equal to a of I plus 50. Now, let me take the values one by one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, you can see there 10 plus 50 is 60, 20 plus 50 is 70. For every element 50 is added, for every element 50 is added directly. That means, am I returning anything here? No, I am not returning anything here. Whatever I am doing is, I am just changing the values inside your function definition. If I am not calling this, let me say I am not calling this particular one. So, this is like this. This will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, not changed. If I am calling that particular function, what happens if I am calling that particular function? So, I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see there 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. That means, need not to give any return statement, it will change the values inside your array. Now, what I will do is, I have given 50 here. In place of 50, I need to give any user defined values. Let me say like this, I will say some called as n. I will give a scanf statement here, scanf %d ampersand n. Render n value to add to array elements. I will just give like this. So, I need to pass which one? N. And I need to have which one? I need to have one more thing in declaration, int, as n is integer type. So, and I need to take it as what? Int n. I need to take it as what? Int n. So, I will just give this as n. I will try to execute this. So, enter n value to add array elements. I'll give 60. So array elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see there 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. That means if I am giving the values, here, and if I am passing just a memory location or memory address or base address to function, this will manipulate all the elements of array and it will give back the elements of array to this particular function. Now if I am printing this array, it will give a manipulated array, it will not give the previous array again, this will give only that particular manipulated type of array. So this is how we can pass arrays to particular functions. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.